Today, we will show how to buy shares of Pinewood Technologies Group Plc, listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker PINE.L. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. Please research carefully and be aware of risks before investing. To buy PINE.L, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and to add funds before placing any order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker PINE.L to find Pinewood Technologies Group Plc. Confirm you select the correct LSE listing before proceeding. On the stock page, check the company summary and review the price chart to confirm it is the correct Pinewood Technologies Group Plc. Verify market details and the LSE listing to be certain. To place an order, click Trade or Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, and set any order parameters. Then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for execution, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the order is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to visit the platform.